the British conquest of India. When they conquered my country, India, they realized that at any time anybody will give them trouble, in India will be the Muslims. So convert the Muslims. The Christian missionaries, they started coming into India and they started challenging the Muslims to public debates. At first the Muslims were reluctant. The British are speaking English, want to talk to you and debate with you in English. Our alims didn't know English. So the Christian missionaries, they mastered our language, Urdu, the language of the elite, the alims. And they started challenging us to debate with you in your language. So the Muslims were forced to accept. And Maulana Abdul Aziz of Delhi, he accepted the challenge. He was forced to accept the challenge. And the debate takes place. So the Reverend was forced to start. And he started with a question. Maulana Sahib, respected alim, Maulana, where is your Prophet Muhammad now? Now, this minute, where is he now? So the Maulana thought for a moment and he said, he is in Jannatul Firdaus, heavenly bliss with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Out of that answer came the second question. He said, all right. If your Prophet was with his Allah, where was he when his grandson Hussein was martyred at Karbala? When Yazid chopped off his head, where was your Prophet Muhammad then? So the Maulana again thought for a moment and he said he was still in Jannatul Firdaus, heavenly bliss with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Out of that answer came the third question. It was planned strategy. Said, all right. If your Muhammad was with his Allah when his grandson Hussein was martyred, killed, slaughtered at Karbala, did he not ask his Allah for help? Say, Ya Bari Ta'ala, oh my Lord, look what they're doing to my grandson. Please help him out of his difficulty. Didn't he ask his Allah for help? And there was a long pause. And the priest couldn't hold his patience. He started stamping his feet. Said, come on. Did he not ask his Allah for help? It's natural. Says, come on. Did he or didn't he ask his Allah for help? So the Maulana, he said, yes, he did ask Allah for help. Then what did Allah say? Because we know he wasn't saved. What did Allah say? And there was an inordinate, very long pause. And the priest again lost his patience, started stamping. He said, come on. What did Allah say? So the Maulana starts. He says, Allah cried. So what? Allah cried? He said, yes, Allah cried. He said, I couldn't save my own son Jesus. How can I save your grandson? And the debate was over. You see, the debate had nothing to do with facts. It was a matching of the wits, cleverness. Who is the cleverer of the two wins the battle. And Alhamdulillah, the Maulana won the battle.